All right, welcome back to the show. The State Police Command has banned all officers below the rank of Assistant Commissioner of Police from using air condition or fridge in their offices. This includes all DPOs in the state. Now we are diving into the conversation already. So let me quickly read the statement from the police command. So according to them, they said, with immediate effect, the DFA has directed only officers above the rank of Assistant Commissioner of Police (ACP) are to use air conditioner and refrigerators in their office. It therefore warned all officers below the rank of Assistant Commander to immediately disconnect AC, fridge from their offices, as anyone caught will be severely sanctioned. Ensure strict compliance. So this is the conversation. Like I understand that obviously for them to have told them to disconnect it, I'm not sure it is something that was given. And quite a number of times you have heard how police are mistreated, and for the fact that even they themselves, to some extent, they've add up to the reason why they are being mistreated. But this instruction from the assistant commander is a bit demeaning and at the same time not humane. At least to some extent we should be empathetic as Nigerians, and it is making us ask that okay, there's segregation to the point that there's a limit to what you can enjoy even in your office, as for the fact that you are below the position of an assistant commander. So what's your thoughts to this thing? AC and fridge, what could have been the likely situation surrounding this conversation for them to have placed this ban?
I don't know. Nothing can justify that act. Now you are telling somebody to remove, regardless of the level of that person, to remove fridge, refrigerator in his office. Now, considering the nature of the sunshine we experience in Nigeria, so a man that has sometimes gone out for his duty, coming back under the hot weather, should not have access to cold water in his office, just because he's these people, I don't know how they take Nigerians for, right? That you are enjoying, other persons should be suffering. Right now, what is the big deal in having air condition in your office or in an office?
And to even think that the Nigerian police are not providing this thing for them. Maybe these people must have gone out of their way, get it for themselves, at least for comfortability. So just imagine the way we are seated here and we decide that we want to be sipping water. We want to be sipping something even while we have conversations. And we decide to do this on our own. Now, these people must have gone to this point and say that let's have this fridge. I can afford it, or somebody gave me this as a gift, and I can't use it in my house. Let me bring it to my office and start using it to enhance my creativity. Maybe it will make me think. Maybe it will make me function better. It will make me focus. It will take away distraction. I won't have to go out to go and get this thing. And you are placing a ban on it. This is to the extreme.
It's actually a discouragement to intending Nigerians who would have loved to go into the police force. Because if a system that does not encourage or the welfareism of the people, they seem as if they want to subject the people to suffering. Now we have people we call intelligence officer. Now, some of the work is a brain work. When you are in an environment or in an office that is not chill, how do you think well? Now, if this thing is good for them, why are they depriving the junior staff from having this same thing? To me, I feel, though I don't think that has been passed into law anyway. But the truth of the matter is that our leaders should learn to focus into things that matters most. Why? What is the? Are they the one? They are not. The maintenance is not from them. All right. So it's not as if it affects them from functioning. It's not as if having AC in their office or having refrigerator in their office stopped them from carrying out their duties. So why stop them? And to me, this thing is going to really discourage so many Nigerians who would have loved to be part of Nigerian police, because it's a proof that the the good living of the police force are not even guaranteed. All right, so it's quite discouraging. Now, even saying, not that they are providing these things, saying that those that have it should